Hi guys, welcome to Tayan Tan Travel and Palm. Today is Friday, our Laboy today. Tara guys, samahan nyo kami at hulaan nyo kami saan kami pupunta ngayong araw. See you guys for our next adventure. Tara, samahan nyo kami.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chase.
Hi guys, welcome to Yacht Club from Jeddah. Tara guys, pasukin natin ang loob ng Yacht Club at hanapin natin ang kaibigan natin dito nagwo-work. At dito siya nagwo-work at naimbitihan kami. Ito, papasyal tayo sa loob. Guys, ito ang napakagandang mga yate at mamahaling yate na dito na sa Yacht Club. Tara guys, pasukin natin ang loob para makita nyo ang loob ng Yacht Club dito sa Mini Jeddah.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Wag kayo magulo, mahulog ka dyan. We go there first. No, not there. We go there. There.
Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world and keep the sky on your mind.
Diyan kami pupunta guys, kaso lang sarado pa. Ayan guys, natito na kami sa loob ng Kids or Kid Vibes. They call it Kid Vibes itong lugar na to. Kaya mag-i-enjoy mga bata sa loob. Actually, maaga kami pumunta dito guys. It's our first time to go here. And hindi ko alam mo yung mga rules. Pero actually is 4 o'clock pa sila magbubukas. So napaaga kami. Siguro sa susunod pa kami ulit magra-ride sa loob dahil sa sobrang aga namin, hindi namin kaya intayin yung 4 o'clock ng afternoon kasi may pasok rin si Papa. Yan guys, yung nakikita nyo yung masjid, yan ang magandang masjid dito sa Yacht Club. Ayan guys, papasukin na namin ang loob. Diba? Ang ganda ng loob. Tara guys, itutur namin kayo. Yan, ulihin ka niya, no? Where tayo?